Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about something super important for writing effective Java code, that is operators. Okay, so operators are like tools in your toolbox, like whether you are adding numbers or comparing values, operators make it happen. In this video, we will cover the most common operators in Java, including arithmetic, relational, logical, and assignment. Okay, so see, here first we are discussing about arithmetic operators. Okay, so it is used for basic math operations. Arithmetic operators are used for basic math operations. So adding prices, subtracting quantities, calculating averages, like that. Okay, so you can know already. This is plus is addition, minus is subtraction. Same. It is a like a basic mathematics. Okay, so how can we use in real life? How much simple addition? If we have 10 apples and give away 4, like subtraction, simple addition, subtraction, like that, these are the operators we will be using for adding or subtracting, for multiplication in the Java. Same. So let me tell about relational operators. It is used to compare two values, like return true or false. Okay, like checking if someone is eligible to vote, age is greater than 18 or less than, like if else condition we will be using in next video. But in this video it is nothing but relational operator is nothing but comparing values. Okay, so equal is this apple the same as that one, like that. So you will get to know more about this while you are using in the code. Okay, so I will just letting you know by this, showing by this, but we will be using in the Eclipse, we will be showing in the Java code as well. Okay, so and after that, logical operators, it is used to combine multiple conditions. Okay, logical operators is used to combine multiple conditions, like checking if a number is within a valid range or not, true or false. So it return true or false, like that. Okay, so and what is meant by assignment operators, it is nothing but storing values, like used to assign values to variables, like storing the result of a calculation into a variable. Okay, so we will discuss as this well. Okay, for that, now I will going to. Okay, so here, yeah, now I'm creating one more class called operators. Operators. Okay, done. See, whenever you are writing a class, you are creating a class, the first letter of the class should be capital. Okay, so I want to create a main method. Finish. Yeah, so this is a method, like with a class, in a class called class name operators. Okay, this is the main method, so I will be writing in this. Okay, now what I have to do? So I have to write every, like assignment operators, relational operators, arithmetic operators, I will show in the code by writing the code. Okay, so how to write, how to use in the Java application. Okay, so in arithmetic operators, we can add two numbers, or we can subtract, we can multiply, we can divide, anything we can do, right? So for that, what we need? Numbers. So in which data type we can store numbers, like whole numbers? First we will do with whole numbers. In which data type we will store? Int, right? So int is nothing but integer. Int a is variable is equal to 4, and int b equal to 5. 5. Okay, done. So see, also I am telling one more trick. So see, int a equal to a 4 and int b equal to 5. So if I am creating these both int, like data types are same, then I can write removing this int. Okay, so I have removed this int, and in place of 4, after 4 I am putting a comma. So it is also correct only. So int a equal to 4, b equal, if these a and b are same data types, then we can separate them by the comma. Okay, so how many, like, or not only c, d equal to c, d, e, if like that, we can separate it by commas and we can write it if they are same data types. Okay, so done. Now first what we will discuss, arithmetic operations. So I will write arithmetic operations. Okay, arithmetic operations. So arithmetic operations means we have to print, right? System dot out dot print ln. Okay, addition. Addition. Okay, addition is nothing but adding, like a and b, right? So is it nothing but concatenation? So here we are adding two variables. So I can write that a plus b. So if you are feeling that it is a complicated one, I can do one more thing. Like what I can do, I will write another, what to say, another int c is equal to a plus b. Okay, so after writing this, I can just remove this and write C. Okay, so it is also correct, it is also correct. Okay, so int C equal to A plus B. Okay, done. So similarly, A minus B, A into D, I can write all this. I will show you that. So for that, let me addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Okay, so similarly for this, uh, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Okay, so int D, so we have to give different variables. Int E, int F, int G. Okay, done. So A plus B, right? A minus B, A into B, A by B, and last one A modulus B. Here I will show what is modulus as well. So here I have to print, right? Addition, subtraction. Now subtraction, subtraction, multiplication, multiplication, division, and last one is modulus. Okay, so I have to print that variables, right? So subtraction is stored in variable D, multiplication is in E, F, G. Where is G? Yeah. Okay, done. Now let me run this. So these are the arithmetic operators. See, addition, 4 plus 5 is 9. Subtraction, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Multiplication, 4 into 5 is 20. Division, 4 by 5 is nothing but 5, 0 point something it will come. So we are storing it in integer. So it is giving the 0. And modulus is 4. Okay, next one. Next, what is relational operators? So we will print the same again. I will be giving some of them. Okay, so in relation G, right? A B C D E F G H I. Okay, I'm taking different things and see, I have to change this, right? So let me see first what are the relational operators I have to explain you. Okay, double equal to greater than. I will explain some of this. Okay, so how to use this. So I will be using these double equal to, if this equal or not, and I will use the greater than as well. Okay, so let me use that. I can say everyone, but you have to try the different ones. I have see for everything like addition and subtraction, multiplication, everything I have done, right? So similarly, you try with everyone. I am explaining two, but you try with everyone. Okay. So A double equal to B. Yes or no? So what is the error? Okay, so see, here you can see I'm getting an error. Why this error is coming is, here A W equal to B, we are checking whether A is equal to B or not. Okay, but we are storing in a data type int. So is it possible? If we are we will be getting the output as true or false. If we are storing it int data type, is it possible? No. For that, what data type we have to use? Boolean. Boolean. Okay. So now each A equal to B. If yes, it will return true. If false, it will return false. Okay. And after that, A greater than B or not, we want to check. So again, it will show error because A greater than B is checking. So for checking, we have to store in boolean. Boolean. Okay. A greater than B. Also, we will write here. Sorry. Each A greater than B. Okay, is a greater than b. So here we will write what are the what to say variables we are storing, h and I, right? H and I. Okay, done. Now I will again run. So is a equal to b? False. Is a greater than b? False. Okay. So if you change the numbers, let me change the numbers. 5, 4. So you can see, right? So if I'm taking 5a and a equal to 5 and b equal to 4, so you can see, right? Is a greater than b? Sorry, GREA. Okay, is a greater than b? Then we'll get true because 5 is greater than 4. Okay. Now what we have to do? Relational arithmetic done, relational done. Now what we will do? Logical. See, I have done these two. Okay, equal to, greater than. You will try not equal to, less than, or greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. You can try all these things in your like ADE or in Java compiler, online Java compiler. Okay, so try it on your own. So now what we will discuss, logical operators. What it is used for? Combining conditions. Okay, so logical operators. Okay, now what I will do is, for this I need to take two conditions. Okay, for logical operators I need to compare, right? Comparing the values is nothing but logical operators, right? So what I will do, I am taking two conditions. Boolean is even or not. For checking even or not, what I have to do, nothing but a, sorry, a is a variable, a modulus 2 double equal to 0. Okay, what it means? If I am taking a 5 divided by 2, if the remainder is equal to 0, okay, if it's perfectly divisible, then it is a even number. We can say if it is not, it is false. And boolean is positive. Boolean is positive. Yes or no? We are checking. Okay. For this, what we will do? We will 1 minute. For this, a should be greater than 0, right? Yeah, so we are taken two conditions. If a is even and boolean, like if a is also positive, then we will tell that it is true. Okay, so how is a even and positive? Yes or no? We are checking. So plus is even, so we are checking two conditions, right? For this we will be writing in brackets. So is even, and what are the logical, see here you can see this, right? So and use it for, you can only go to the one party if you are invited and your parents allow it, or true and false. Okay, I don't like coffee, that means not. So we will be using here and condition, okay, which means both should be true. Is even and is positive. If you have already studied about see some minute, if you have already studied about what to say, digital design, right? So it will be easy to understand. So some error it is showing, let me check. Is even and is positive. What's the error here I'm getting? Okay, so I have taken this, I'm very sorry, it's my bad. Yeah, done. Okay, so it will be checking whether it is true or not. If both are true, then it will true or false, like that. Okay, so let me run this application. So is even a and positive? False, because it a is not even, so you can see b is even, right? So let me check for b. Okay, if both are true, then it will true. If both are false, it will false, and one true one false, it will be false. Okay, end condition is that only, right? Yeah. So you got to know what is logical operator. So try for another logical operator that I have shown in the word. And at last, what is that? Assignment operators. So assignment operators also, like, it will simplify. If you are using multiple arithmetic operators, right, it will you simplify that only. So int a equal to already there. So what I'm doing, int, sorry, int, right? So int. So if I already declared that int a equal to 5, then I can use that as well. A plus or equal to, that means, see, I want to write int a equal to a plus 5. Okay, what I'm doing, int a equal to a plus 5. What happening? Okay, so I've already used this application, so I will write m, int m equal to a plus 5. So what it will do, see, in int m equal to a plus 5. Okay, so what it will show, it is showing nothing but 5 plus 4. Okay, let me take another for your clarification. I will take one more thing, int m equal to 9. Okay, so here I'm declaring m equal to m plus 5. First I will show this, and after that I will show the remaining. Int m equal to 9 and m equal to m plus 5. Now I will print this. Okay, so remaining all these I will remove it, and I will print m. Okay. Okay, sorry. Yes, done. So if I run this application, so you can see 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. So here it is a basic mathematical operation, like arithmetic operation we are using. M equal to m plus 5. So in assignment operators, what I have shown, right? Assignment operators, you can see plus equal to, it nothing but x plus equal to 5 is nothing but x equal to x plus 5, minus equal to, into equal to, division equal to. All these things are there, right? Similarly, we will be using that. Okay. So in this place, I am commenting this, and in place of that I will writing m plus equal to 5. Okay, so while using assignment operator, so this is somewhat lesser than this one, right? Okay, so if you understand this, it will be very easy to use in your application as well. So run as Java application. So you can see same 14 we are getting. So in place of arithmetic, we can use this assignment as well. So what we have discussed till now, we have discussed what are the arithmetic operations, relational operations, logical operations, and assignment operators. Okay, so for these things, how we have done in the Eclipse as well, we have seen. Okay, so for next one, what I'm giving a small challenge. See, I have written in that word also. What do you think the output of 5 into 2 plus 3? Just run in the application, okay, and let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more. In the next video, we will cover if else statements. Okay, so I am giving a small challenge for you. Create a simple calculator program that makes two numbers from the user. Okay, that takes two. Here what I have assigned the values, but what you should do, you should, like, take inputs two numbers from the user, and then it should have to add, subtract, multiply, and divide them based on user input. Okay, so at last, and post your codes, like after writing this you can post it in the comments, and I will review them, and I will, if possible, I mean, like, if there are any errors, or if any problems you are getting in that code means, I will let you know in the next video.